How to manage personal budget on Microsoft Excel app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to manage your personal budget is by going to Excel app. Now this is the home page. Go to the top corner and click on this little plus icon. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Go down and search for personal budget, and here is it right here. Now click on it, and here you go. Now right here you can edit those informations and add your informations, and you will be able to manage your personal budget easily and fast. And after you finish, all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click here and click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.